Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out a new eyeshadow palette. I think I've spoken about this palette like so much that you guys are probably tired of me talking about this palette because I was so excited to get it. I was so excited to buy it and now it's here, so I'm just really excited. Today I'm going to be showing you this look that I did using the Afrique by Juvia's palette. This is what the palette looks like and I'm so excited for you guys to see this look because this look started off with I'm using these 4 eyeshadows and then it turned to I'm using these 5 eyeshadows. This is the palette right here. It's been used, first time I actually used it in this video. The lashes, the skin, everything just mixes and melts together to create this awesome green and yellow with some gold in there eyeshadow look. Before we continue with today's video, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to the Omogimara YouTube channel. Join my family here on the internet. We're very close to 3,000 subscribers. Also, do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you always get notifications of all the videos I upload. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get started with today's video. Guys, so I'm excited to be trying out this new palette. I literally just got it last week Monday and I've just been staring at it, honestly to God, just staring at it, and I'm so excited to have Juvia's place in my collection right now. Like, this is like the best birthday gift I could have given myself. So the palette came in this cardboard box which basically has the same like decor and the same packaging as this and like the same color wise, and when you open it you have all of this. This eyeshadow palette has 12 pigmented eyeshadow palettes. It has 7 mattes and 5 shimmers. I like this motif, but I would have liked if there was a mirror in here. If there was a mirror here, that wouldn't be a bad idea. But I don't know. It's great. You can travel with this because with a mirror, you'll be scared that it's gonna break. But like this, you're pretty sure you can put it in your bag and it won't break. So today I'm gonna be playing with these 4 eyeshadow palettes. I saw this palette on the website and I was like, I want to do something interesting, and interesting to me right now is green. I don't think I've done a green look. Like the look I have in my head, I don't think I've ever done something like that before. Before I begin, I'm gonna put down a base of concealer. So that's just me simply putting down the House of Tara concealer on my eyelid. Then I have some on the back of my hand. I literally just did my brows. I really like how the names of the shadows are listed under the eyeshadows, so you can see the names of each of the eyeshadows that you're using. The first shade I'm going to take is Aya, which is this matte bright yellow. I'm going to be taking it on my Sedona Lace EB13 blending brush. All right, tapping into the shade now. No fallout at all. Ooh. Oh, this is a pretty yellow and it shows up on my skin. Yellow sometimes doesn't show up on my skin unless you make it pigmented enough, and this one is definitely pigmented. Wow, that yellow is really showing up. Like, looking at the viewfinder I can see the yellow, and looking here I can see it as well. I'm going to take another blending brush, and this is because when I apply this shade, I don't want it to be in the crease. I want it to be below the yellow but above, like I want it to be below the yellow. Deluxe blender from Evita Joseph, and I'm gonna dip into the shade Niger. That is, some people say Niger, I'm calling it Niger, I'm saying Niger, I don't know if it's Niger, but yeah, I'm gonna dip into the shade, this green. I'm most excited for this green, I'll not lie. If there's any shade I'm excited for in this palette, it's this green. Pop it right there. Ooh. Ooh. This is nice. This is pigmented. Can you see how the green just came and said it's my ton? Gonna go back in with the first brush and a bit of the yellow to blend out the edge so that the green doesn't completely overtake the whole thing. Like the way the yellow shows up and the way they blend, these shadows blend so well. I've heard so much about the Juvia's Place palettes, which is why I was super excited to get it, but now I get it. Like, I understand why. They're so pigmented. They are really pigmented. And they blend so well, so like I'm not having a problem blending. This is my Sedona Lace EB15, which is my crease brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Cameroon. I'm gonna use Cameroon to define that crease. Now I don't want to use too much of this because I don't want it to like mess with the green, but I just want to darken the crease. I like that the shades are blending nicely with each other. As you can see, I'm just putting the brush in my crease and going back and forth. And I'm applying the brown. I'm applying Cameroon like bit by bit so I don't overwhelm the green. I'm gonna go back in with the Deluxe blender brush with a little bit of the green to blend that out. And then I'm not gonna take anything of this brush, but I'm gonna blend out. This is the brush I used to apply the yellow. So we have this green yellow look going on. I think I want a little bit more green. Just a little bit more. I see the hype, yo. I see the damn fucking hype. So now we're about to cut the crease. Yes, I've been doing a lot of cut creases lately. I love them. They fit me. Also, I'm trying to perfect it. So the more I do a cut crease, the more like I do them, the better I get. Taking my House of Tara concealer, applying it to the back of my hand. And I'm taking my flat edge brush. This is a flat eyeliner brush actually from Sephora. We have that down. Now I'm about to apply the shimmer. I use the flat edge brush from Evita Joseph. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Togo, which is this shimmery green. Viewfinder, it makes it look bluish, but it's actually green. And I'm gonna use my flat edge brush to apply the shade to my eyelid. This is a beautiful green. It's like a serpent green. I don't think I have anything like this in my books, in my collection. I know I said I was only gonna play with these 4 shadows right here, but this needs something different. I'm gonna go into this shade right here, Coffee. It's another shimmery gold shade. So I'm just blending Coffee on top of this green. Now, this is the oomph I was looking for. To blend out the edge, I'm going to take Niger again to blend out the edge of the cut crease. I think this is so interesting and so pretty. So this is the eye look I'm going for. This is what we have so far. I'm gonna do my wing liner. I'm gonna be using the Yanga Beauty liquid liner. Then I'm gonna be putting on my lashes, these wispy lashes right here. I'm gonna put these wispy lashes on. Let me do the other eye and do rest of the stuff that I need to do off camera, and I'll be back to finish off my... Alright guys, so I am back with my eyes both done. I'm really happy with this look. I like it. I didn't think I would like it because I was kind of going off course from what I wanted, but I really like this. It's time to move on to my face. I'm gonna put on a layer of powder. There's the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. No, if you're asking, I have not bought primer yet. When am I buying? I don't know. I've actually been looking online at primers and looking at reviews, because the next time I buy a primer, like before I buy a primer, I'd like to know that the primer I'm using is like really good. There are lots of Nigerian brands out there with their primers, and I'm thinking of trying a couple of them. I'm not sure which yet. Today's foundation is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. One of my favorite foundations. Lasts all day, makes my skin look really nice. This one is about to finish. So thankfully I have another bottle waiting for me upstairs, so when this one finishes I have what I'm using. I really like this foundation. It's mattifying, it lasts really long, and a little bit goes a long way, so you don't need so much. For under eye concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It's almost done. I need to go and buy like 5 more. To set my under eye, I'm going to be using the Black Opal True Color Ultra Matte Foundation Powder. You guys know I love using this powder to set under my eyes. To contour, I'm going to be using an oldie but a goodie. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One powder in the shade Mocha. I have had this powder for a very long time, and it's because it's one of my favorite powders. If you can get this powder in like your skin tone shade, it is so good for touch-ups, especially like if you're out and your face is oily or your foundation has moved and you need to touch up. This powder is really nice. For highlights, I'm going to be using the Candid Glow highlight by Yanga Beauty. This is in the shade Porkish. I felt like this gold would go better as a highlight with this eye look. So I'm first taking my small fluffy blender from Evita Joseph, and some there, a little bit on the nose, just a little bit. I'm going to take this and apply it carefully right here. And now I'm taking my bigger highlight. This is the classic highlight brush, and I'm using it to blend out the highlights that we applied there before. Now, gotta blend down all the places that are overly highlighted. I'm using my powder brush. I didn't even put any powder on this. I'm just using whatever is left on the brush to blend out everything. Now I have to finish my eyes. I'm only going to use 2 shades under my eye, but before then I'm going to put some black in my waterline to really intensify this look. This is the Kudi Cosmetics Kajal Auto Liner. So the first shade I'm going to put down is green. I am going to stamp the green with my Precision Crease brush. I'm just gonna press the green. Then I'm going to take this brush. This is a classic Crease, and I'm going to go into the yellow. And I'm going to blend the green out using this yellow shade. Alright, so we are done with the eyes. Now it's time for the lips. The first shade I'm going to take is this lipstick pen, and this is in the shade Mist. Going to use it to line my lips. Then I'm going to take my favorite nude YSL lipstick. This is the YSL Rouge Pour Couture in the number has scratched off, but I think it's 09. And to finish off this entire look, I'm going to be using my setting spray. This is the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour Makeup Locket Setting Spray. Whew, I am so fine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I was so excited to put this look together because literally I stayed up all night looking at this eyeshadow palette thinking, what am I doing with this palette? What am I doing with this palette? And now I have this look and I am so overwhelmed with how beautiful this look. It just looks really good. Please do let me know what you think of this look by leaving me a comment below. If you want to buy Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes, I'm not gonna say no, you have to buy them because they're really, really good. They have so many different palettes with so many different color schemes. So this is the Afrique. They have a bunch of others. If you are interested in getting them, you should. They deliver to Nigeria, which is amazing. They actually deliver to Nigeria because I got this delivered to me here in Lagos. So if you're in Nigeria and you want to get yourself some Juvia Place eyeshadow palettes, you should. They're really, really good. Thank you guys once again for watching this video. Do let me know what you think by leaving me a comment below. Do not forget to subscribe to the Omagimara YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel. And also, do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!